What? That's the price for one bag of potatoes? You've got to be kidding me. I could buy a whole field for that much. Here's our field. And today we're planting potatoes. Oh, don't mind the noise. Bust a stance, hand out the tools, and take down the sign. Growing potatoes isn't rocket science. In short, dig a hole, drop the potato, cover it up, wait for fall, harvest the crop. Easy peasy. What are you waiting for? Spread out, one arm's length apart, and start digging holes. Whoever finds an anti-tank mine, pick it up and carry it to the edge of the field. And if you step on an anti-personnel mine, good news, one less hole to dig. An anti-tank mine, unlike an anti-personnel one, is made for heavy targets. It won't go off from a person's weight, even if you jump on it. You, why are you just standing there? Did you step on a mine? Really? Okay, don't panic. Listen carefully. Slowly put your shovel down. Don't move your leg. Good. Now stand up straight. Arms to the sides. Yes, that's it. All right, don't move. You're a scarecrow now. Keep the crows away. All anti-personnel mines are designed so the victim has zero chance to survive. Step on one, and it's game over. Unless it's faulty, of course. Those mines that don't explode while you're standing on them only exist in movies. And what are you waving that shovel for? Stop fooling around, that won't help you. Damn, several expendables vanished. Jumping mines, frogs. Once triggered, they leap into the air and explode, spraying everything around with metal balls. Bigger blast radius, more victims. Oh, come on! You're gonna ruin all my tools. Maybe I should have handed out mine detectors instead. A mine detector finds metal underground. It used to work just fine back in the day, because modern mines are made of plastic. So yeah, better call a sapper with a dog. Oh, here we go, it's heating up! Modern mines sort of have something like an expiration date. After a while, a self-destruct timer kicks in to reduce civilian casualties. Well, lucky you, slackers. Half the work's done on its own. No need to dig holes anymore, or fertilize the soil either. All right, plant the potatoes. Where are all the potatoes? Scattered all over the field? So they basically planted themselves? Amazing. We should patent this method. The first people to discover and eat potatoes were the natives of South America. They grew everywhere, like weeds. In the 1500s, one Spanish genius decided to bring them back home. Too bad he never asked the locals how to cook them, so he ended up poisoning half his village by eating the tops instead of the roots. Later, potatoes made their way to France, and only after that, to Russia. You're still standing there? Good job. Looks like the harvest's done. You're free to go. Come on, don't be scared. There's no mine under your foot. Boom! Ha ha ha! Nice one, Sapper. Now get lost. Hello. I'm calling about that ad. The field with radioactive waste. Yeah. Will it work for potatoes? No, not for me. I'm gonna grow it to sell. Oh, come on. Look ahead and subscribe. It won't cost you a thing.